What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the ORICO wall charger. Now, you might think, why are we looking at a simple wall charger? Because this isn't just a simple wall charger. This supports 4 outlets and 3 USB ports. We've got mounting hardware as well as screw position markers so that you know exactly where you're drilling on your wall, which is really useful. You know, back in the day, you'd get a piece of paper, put it on here, and this is still a good trick for any of them that don't provide those markers. But you get a piece of paper, put it on here, and then you get a pencil and just kind of like lightly rub above, and you'll get the markings of where those holes go. And you can just put that paper on the wall, screw in, and you've got a perfect outline or template for it. So nice little hack there in case you lose these or you get a device you want to install that way. You might notice this comes in purple. This actually comes in white, blue, and black as well. We opted for the purple version because it seemed unique. Let's go ahead and open this up and pull off this included little carrying case here. It makes it really easy to wrap everything up and hold it there. And you'll simply plug this into the wall and you get this here. You might say, I only see 2 ports there. How does it have 4 power ports and 3 USB ports? Well, actually, there's another port here, another one here, and all your USB ports are along the bottom. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 power ports, 2 of them with grounding ports or grounding plugs, and then 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port right here. So now it's starting to seem a lot more interesting. You can even hang this on the side of your bed or something, and maybe not your bed because that might be a fire hazard. That being said, this is fireproof. So they did make sure to make this completely fireproof. And the USB ports here are fast charging 15-watt USB ports. So total power output is 15 watts. Once you start splitting them up, you get 12 watts per port, essentially 15 watts total, and they will split power value off based on that. But yeah, pretty solid, nice looking device from ORICO. And I really like the idea that you can just kind of travel with it if you want to. All you need to do is wrap it back up, plug it in, and you're good to go. How easy is that? So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.